Hello everybody! How is everything on your side of the world? Hope you are alright. Whatever it is, I'm going to try to make it better for you. Look what nice earrings we are making today. They may look complicated, but as everything in this channel, they are not. Maybe you will need some practice before starting the earrings, but that's it. These are the supplies we are gonna need. Cut yourself about 15 cm of 21 gauge wire. Make a loop on the edge you like the most. Use a ruler to measure 1 cm and use the round nose pliers to bend it. Remember this loop because we are gonna talk about it a lot. It's gonna be very famous, but keep the secret. Clip the round nose pliers on the loop to make a zigzag-like shape. Use those bends as reference to follow the pattern 6 times in total. Now repeat the bending in another piece of wire. As you can see, I left a couple of centimeters at the end. You must leave that too. Remember, you must have 6 of this. Grab the piece of wire with your flat nose pliers and join those curves as close as you can. This is the most complicated step because you need to be gentle with it, otherwise you will mess the wire up. Do the same in both sides to get something similar to this. As you can see, it looks ugly, but no worries, it's okay. Use a knitting needle or a pen, whatever you have with this kind of shape, and leaving that first loop we made at the bottom, open the wire a bit. Use the knitting needle or a pen, whatever, to give it a petal shape. This is super easy if you are using a soft wire like brass or copper, so I highly recommend this kind of wire. To complete the flower shape, open that cup between the petals just a bit. Cut a bit of the excessive wire we left at the end and very carefully introduce it through the loop. Now bend that excessive wire a little bit to close the flower and cut the rest of it. This is how it should look. Woohoo! An earring project is starting to be beautiful. Make a second flower and place it over the other. Find a way to make those petals to look like this. The top petal flower should intersperse with the bottom flower. Cut yourself a piece of wire about 20 cm long and wrap it about 2 or 3 times around one of the petals. I have chosen the one with the loop. Push it down, taking the wrap to the center of the flower, and now wrap it around the flowers to hold them together. When the flowers are secure, insert 4 beads on the wire and thread the wire through the first bead. Hold this group of beads in the center and wrap the wire around the flower shape. Insert 1 bead more and place it over the other beads. Wrap one more time and look. To hide the wire, you must go underneath the 4 beads. Can you see it? On the reverse side, just wrap the wire around itself maybe twice or 3 times. Now use a teardrop bead and introduce a piece of wire through the hole. You just have to twist it about 2 centimeters. Cut any excessive wire you have. All you have to do now is to add that teardrop to the flower. Now look for that petal right in front to the teardrop and add an earring hook. You can finish here, but I decided to bend the second flower up just a little bit to give it like more personality, but this is up to you. And this is it! They are stunning, aren't they? If you like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very, very happy.